Let us share a short story with you guys. T-Active was called around 2 p.m. The caller made inquiry about iPhone XR charging IC, and the price was quoted. He later brought the phone around 7 p.m. But upon inspecting the phone, we realized that it has been tried before by another technician, which they failed to fix it. T-Active renegotiated the price in order to clear the mess caused by other technicians that have worked on the phone. They failed to fix the phone simply because they were not properly trained, which prevented them from understanding the concept of the circuit. They actually changed the Hydra IC, yet it didn't work. Why? That is because they lack the knowledge of resistance logic. At T-Active Microsoldering Technology, we don't just replace IC. Without verification, we have our SOP. That is because we were trained like that. Enough of the story, let's begin. Repair process. Successfully fixed, the phone is now charging fine. The customer was so surprised the phone actually worked. He had to bring another dead iPhone, which we successfully brought back to life.